Right, what we have is this stamp here, which is an RD from the early period, so it's going to be somewhere 1 to plate 45. The question here is it plate 26 or 27? So I'm only going to look at those two plates. What I need to do is to find 26 and 27 on this range here. Let's drag these images out. So I'm going to cut and paste, put that there, get rid of that. Do I want to save? No. So there we go, we've got 26 and 27. I need to compare them directly, so I need to make these images the same size. Rather than bring that image down to that, it's a much better practice to bring this image up to match this. So I'm going to take this image and resize it to 333%. Why that? Well, because it works. Then what I'm going to do is copy this, paste it as a new layer, and let's have a look. Let's compare the two stamps. So first of all, line it up roughly. Let's have a look at 26R. 50% roughly. Opacity, if that's the word. It's about there. And that is as near as damn it. That's pretty close. So that R doesn't tell us actually anything. So look at this R on 27. About there. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can line this up. Don't know if that's there actually. Oh, it's close, isn't it? That's not really helping. Okay, let's have a look at D. So we'll have a look at D on plate 26. Let's overlay that. Let's make sure we line it up properly. Up a bit, I think. Is that right? We've got a wobble there. You notice the D is dancing. That ain't no good. That's probably wrong. Alright, let's have a look on the other one just to confirm. So we'll take this D over to 27. Let's see if that overlays properly. Try and line it up. Alright. So we go. Is that right? It's nearly there, isn't it? Maybe slightly to that side. Let's have a look. It's not great. The thing is, the old original D is worn down. There's less ink there. But the new D is within the shape of the old D. It's coincident. Let's go back to the other D, just to confirm. Alright, let's have a look. No, it's dancing. On 26 the D is more to the left. Definitely. Yeah, it's 27. It's a real tricky one because if you look at the sidelines, they're very similar. That matches. This open area there. But then again, you could argue here that it matches up there as well. With a bit of wear, that would disappear. This is the same. Look at it. It's a nasty one. Let's have a look at here. We've got sort of a northwest floor there. That to me looks like a little bit of paper stuck to it, so I don't know whether that's a northwest floor or whether that is actually attached to the edge. That doesn't help. Never mind. This is very similar. I mean, it's open here, but then again it's showing a lot more wear, so you'd expect that. Let's have a look at this side. It's quite strong. 27 is quite strong, so this is actually an awful lot of wear. We did say 27, didn't we? Yeah, we did. So that's a lot of wear. It's no wonder really that it's a nasty, confusing one. The other problem we've got with this particular example is, although it's a big scan, it's actually quite pixely. And if we zoom right down to the R square, just as an example, you can see the pixels are starting to take over the picture. Now it just so happens that I have another RD27, which I scanned myself at 1200 ppi. Now if we go into here, blow that up, let's move that across, you can see the difference between the two. I mean, yeah, you can see the pixels here, but you can actually see the picture. Here it's starting to disappear. We're losing the integrity of the image. Here we can still see it. Makes a big difference. So although that might have been scanned at say 1200 ppi, the lens that's actually done the scanning isn't a very good one. It's probably a 3-in-1 printer with a scanner attached. This one I've done on my Epson, which is a dedicated flatbed scanner. It's not expensive, but it makes a huge difference. There we go. Unfortunately, that one wasn't mine. Quite a nice stamp. Okay, cheers. Bye.